Hello everyone, welcome back to our FTC's Team devlog. In today's video, I'll show you how I upload updated code files to the TeamCode folder in our FTC SDK project. We will make sure the files go in the right place so the SDK compiles correctly. And I'll show you how I make proper Git commits and push my changes safely to our Teams branch. Here's our FTC SDK project structure. The TeamCode folder is where all of our team's operational code goes, op mode subsystems, and hardware control classes. When we add or modify files, we always make sure they're inside the TeamCode directory. That way the SDK can compile everything properly when we build or deploy. To do this, go right side and click on the arrow next to Add File. Since I'm going to upload files, I will choose Upload Files option. After you click, a new page will load, which gives you an option to choose files from your local computer. I'll select File, which are modified, and click Open button. In this update, we have made a small but important change to our intake and thrower subsystems. Instead of using set power, we're now using set velocity. This makes the motors more consistent. Set velocity controls speed in ticks per second, which helps the intake and thrower run smoothly even when the battery voltage drops. Before committing, I'll make sure that I am creating a new branch. Working in a separate branch helps keep the main code stable while we test updates. When I commit, I use a clear and descriptive message so teammates and mentors know what changed. For example, refactor intake and thrower to use set velocity instead of set power for consistent performance. This makes version history easy to read and helps during code reviews. Now I'll push this branch to the remote repository. Our team reviews all code in pull requests with our mentor before merging into main. That way, we avoid breaking the main branch and keep our robot's code reliable. And that's it. Files are in the correct TeamCode folder. The FTC SDK builds cleanly, and the changes are documented with clear commit messages. Following this workflow helps us stay organized, write consistent code, and keep our robot performing its best. If this helped you or your team, stay tuned for more FTC development tutorials. See you next time.